Guys, Alan here from StretchSense. In this video, we'll go over the setup process for the Pro Fidelity Gloves, which will help you go from zero to recording in no time at all. Let's begin.
When putting on your gloves, just keep in mind that the sensors are sewn into the back of the hand here, so we want to avoid pulling from the back and pull from the palm side to ensure a snug fit. Also, just make sure to really set the gloves into your hand for consistent data. With the USB dongles, we recommend you use a powered USB hub and ensure a clear line of sight between the dongles and glove when shooting for the best results. Once you have your USB dongles plugged into your computer and your gloves turned on, you are ready to add a performer. To do this, just come here to the bottom left corner of the screen and type your performer's name in, and once you do that, just hit enter. So with your Pro Fidelity gloves, this is where you can add up to 6 performers at once. When you have all your performers added, just make sure that the staged tick box here is checked. This just means that whoever is staged will get their hand data captured when you begin recording. Next, we will connect our gloves by coming over to the drop down menu here and then selecting the appropriate COM port for each glove. You can check to see if your gloves are connected to the correct hand by using this circle activity indicator here in the status bar. Just move your gloves around and the circle will respond by flashing to your glove movements. If they are swapped around, just simply switch the COM ports between both hands. Once you've done that, we can calibrate our gloves. Just come over here and click the Calibrate button. Once you do, just copy the poses that come on screen until you go through all of them. And with that, your calibration should be all finished. Just repeat the process for your other hand and then you should be ready for recording. Before we start recording, you can set where you'd like your files to be saved by pressing this button here. And once that's set, you can start recording by pressing this blue Start Recording button here.
And that's all you need to know to start recording with your Pro Fidelity gloves. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates and news, and I'll see you guys again next time.